Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my exercise for waist, and let's do this. You can count on this guys for estimate ko naman sa akin. So, let's begin. O ganun na yung katawan mo guys. Ulit. Ulitin mo lang siya. You can do like this. Ito mas comfortable ako na straight yung legs. Ulitin mo siya. Comfortable ka lang ka ganyan. Mas ayaw yan, pero mas comfortable nga ako ng high straight. Yun lang guys. Paulit-ulitin mo lang siya para makita mo talaga yung magandang effect. That is it. I'll see you on my next exercise. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me.